Hi and welcome to my channel, Bob the Toolman. Today I'm going to show you DeWalt 100 pieces drill bits in a hard case. So let's dive what's inside the box. We have a wood drill bits starting from 3.5 up to 8 millimeters. We have a HSS drill bits for metal drilling and 6, 7 and 8 millimeters for masonry drill bits. So your standard quality HSS drill bits. So this is a metal drill bit. These are wood drill bits. And this is masonry drill bit. So they are all look alike, but each one has a different purpose. The wood drill bit is with the point, sharp point on the front. The HSS and the masonry drill bit, you can see on the top not the same, so you can see the difference when you choose one. They are standard quality, and also it's a mandrel also bit. We have two also included in the box with the two sizes. The sizes are not written here, but as you can see here in the back, it's 32 and 44 millimeters. So let's see how this set up a also drill bit. We have to fit this part like this, and then they declare that you can drill wood and some other light metal materials like aluminum. So this should be it. The same thing for the other. If you want to switch, unwind the nut, take out, put it back, so it fits here like this, and screw this part. Then insert into the drill, and we are all set. Also, we have a magnetic bit holder, and we have a lot of drill bits. PZ2 We have most of them, 25 pieces, because this is the most common drill bit used for wood screws. As you can see, this is the standard head for this drill bit. Let's see how magnetic holder it's working. Let's take some small screws and see. No? It doesn't have such a powerful magnet. So we put the magnetic drill bit holder in a drill. By the way, this is not for impact drivers. This is only for drill drivers. These bits, but they're high quality material. We can check, for example, one screw and see how is it. Let's test one. Quite good. Also, we have the nut drivers from size 5 to 13. It's used for screwing screws with the nut head, for example, like this. Also, we have a countersink. This is the purpose of this. It's to make a hole in the wood. So when we put the screw inside, just fit perfectly. Like that. We have besides these 25 pieces, also we have posi drive 1 and 3, depending on the size of the screw. So for example, we cannot use 1 because it's just too small, it's not fitting in the head. We have to, for this screw, we have to use number 3 because it's fitting just perfectly. Also, we have the hex. Hex is for this type of screws. No, sorry, this is for Torx. So for this is too big, this is T25. So for this screw will be T20. This is the same thing, wood screw, just different type of head. So this is a Torx, the size is T20, so we can use on to screw the wood screws with this type of head. We have the slotted. The slotted are not used so much anymore, but still we have some from previous times. And maybe we need some. And besides, we have the Phillips head. That's this type of head. So that's Phillips head. The difference between the PZ and PH, the Phillips and Posi drive head, it has a cross for putting the bits plus diagonal, and Phillips is just standard. Also, we have the same thing in the extended version, when we can use them directly without the magnetic belt holder. They are a little bit longer. So instead of putting small bit, we can put the longer version. This is 25 millimeters or 1 inch. This is 50 millimeters or 2 inch long. Overall, this set has everything you need to do basic home DIY work, or maybe some professional work. It's not very professional because the quality, it's not top quality. This is the standard quality, and they are not for impact drivers, only for drill drivers. So these drill bits are for drill drivers. They are for these drill drivers. Okay, I think I went all over the products included in the box. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also down below in the description you can find the link where you can purchase this product. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.